Friends, let us start the applications of derivative. So in first session we will read the rate of measure, or we say rate of measurement. So what is the rate of measurement? Rate, that means what? The derivative of a function with respect to time. As we know that the derivative of velocity with respect to time, the derivative of momentum with respect to time, this is known as the rate of change of velocity. This is the rate of change of momentum. As you know that the quantity of this is acceleration and this is the force in the field of physics. So these are the important things what we read in the topics, that is derivative. So not only in the field of science but in the field of economics and statistics also, derivative is very important. Let us take one example here. If the total revenue received from the sale of X unit of the product is given by this one, find the marginal revenue when X is equal to 7. So this is what do you mean by marginal cost and marginal revenue? Marginal cost, that means what? You simply find this is the marginal cost, that is derivative of the function with respect to time. This is your 26x plus 26. This is your marginal cost. Now what about the marginal revenue? So marginal revenue, what? Just you put the value of the derivative of the function, that is x is equal to 7. Since x is here given as 7, so you just put here 7 and the result what you will find, that result is your marginal revenue. So this marginal revenue is nothing but 208 when you calculate this one. So this is about marginal cost and marginal revenue. Now let us move in the field of mensuration, that is find the rate of change of area of the circle with respect to radius. How fast is the area changing with respect to the radius if radius is given as 3 centimeter? So this is a circle, radius is given 3. So you have to find the derivative of the area with respect to the radius. Now what is the area? This is pi r square. So what is the derivative of A with respect to r? This is naturally 2 pi r. Now just put the value of r as 3. So dA by dr, when r is equal to 3, this is your 6 pi. Now since this is area, this is radius. Area centimeter square, radius is centimeter. So unit will be your centimeter. Now the same question, if here will be asked that find the rate of change of area of the circle if the rate of change of the radius is suppose it is 5 centimeter per second. Now here simply you have to find the rate of change of area. That means you have to find the derivative of this area with respect to time. So here this one, that is dA by dt. Now this is your pi, derivative of r square is 2r. Since you are taking the derivative of the function with respect to time, so here this is r, the another variable, so you have to take one more derivative, that is dr by dt. Now you put the value, that is pi 2, r is your 3, and dr by dt, this is the rate of change of radius is 5 centimeter, this is 5, so 15 into 2, that is 30 pi. 30 pi means, that is area, that is centimeter square divided by second, that is centimeter square per unit second. Now let us move to the question of three-dimensional figure. Now take one example. All examples are from NCERT book. Now question number 4. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second on the ground. The falling sand form a cone such as the height of the cone is 1/6 of the radius, so of the base. So the question is, how fast the height of the cone, increases if the height is 4 centimeter. So this is very interesting question. Now how we solve this question? क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है कि एक पाइप है और पाइप के माध्यम से आप ऊपर से बालू को गिरा रहे हैं, यहाँ से बालू गिर रही है, और जब ये बालू जमीन पे गिरेगी तो नेचुरली इट फॉर्म ए कोन. द इनिशियल हाइट ऑफ दिस कोन इज 4 centimeter, and what is given here, see, this is 12 centimeter cube per second. Cube per second, that means what? The rate of change of volume is given. So here our solution, so according to question, dV by dt is equal to 12 centimeter cube per second. Now we know that V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. So there are two quantities, r and h. So for balancing these two quantities in the question, one thing is given: the height of the cone is 1/6 of the radius of the base. That is what? Height is 1/6 of r. So r is equal to 6h. Therefore, the volume will be 1/3. This is your 6h, 36h. That is pi 36h cube. So this is 12. So volume is your 12 pi h cube. So what you have to find? You have to find dH by dt. ये कितना होगा? how fast the height of the cone increases. So this quantity is to be found. So now this is dv by dt. By taking the derivative of this v with respect to time, this is 12 pi 12 pi, this is 3 h square into dh by dt. Now what is the value of dv by dt? This is 12. So just you place here 12 is equal to 12 pi 36 h square. What is h? This is your 4. So 4 square, that is means 16 dh by dt. So one thing is going mistake here, that is 36 12 here 6h 36, that is 12 h cube, so 3h square, so 16 36 ये 12 यहाँ पर नहीं होगा क्योंकि मल्टीप्लाई कर चुके हैं. So this is your 4. Hence so dh by dt is 36 4 16 1 by 48 pi, that is h by t, that is centimeter per second. So this is the answer of this question, that is 1 by 48 pi. Now let the question will be taken from the coordinate geometry. The coordinate in the coordinate geometry, one question is there in the NCERT book, that is question number 6. Find the point on the curve. Find the point on the curve y square is equal to 8x when the abscissa and the ordinate change at the same rate. Change at the same rate. So what is the question is? ये क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है? तो सबसे पहले एक curve is given. That curve is your parabola. As you know, the parabola figure is like this. So this is the curve, that is y square is equal to 8x. So what you have to find? You have to find the point where the rate of change of abscissa, that abscissa is your x, and the rate of change of ordinate, that is the y, are always equal, that is the same. So solution, y square is equal to 8x. So dy by derivative of this function with respect to time, this is t. So this is your 2y dy by dt is equal to 8 dx by dt. This is 1. Now what is given? The rate of change of ordinate and the abscissa are equal. Now dy by dx is equal to dx by dt. This is given. So considering this one, this will be cancelled. So the value of y is 4. Now if you put the value of y here 4, then 16 is equal to 8x. So x is equal to 2. So the point is your 2 and 4. So this is the answer. This point is 2, 4. So this would be the answer. So let us take one very important question. A man of height 2 meter moves away from the foot of the lamp tower of height 6 meter at the rate of 5 meter per second. Find the rate of increasing in its shadow. So this is purely the construction work will be done here. कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क के बिना ये फिगर, इस क्वेश्चन को हम लोग नहीं बना सकते हैं। तो क्या है, एक लैंप पोस्ट है और यहां पर देयर इज अ लैंप, दिस इज द हाइट 6 मीटर, सो दिस इज द रे, सपोज इट इज अ मेन of 2 meter height, A, B, C, D, E. Suppose this distance moved by the main is x and this is the length of the shadow. So what is given here? The rate of walking of the main is 5 meter per second. So dx by dt is 5 meter per second. This is given, and this is given height of the tower and height of the main. You see, two triangles are there and both triangles are similar. So according to figure, triangle ABE similar to triangle DCE. So AB by CD is equal to AE by CE. This is 6 by 2 is equal to x plus y by y. Now if you solve this one, then you will get x plus y is equal to 3y. This is 3. So 2y is equal to x. Now you find the derivative of this function. So by taking the derivative with respect to time, this is 2 dy by dt is equal to dx by dt. So what is the rate of increasing of the shadow? The rate of increasing of the shadow is dy by dt. This is to be found. So this is 2 dy by dt. What is the rate of speed of the, what is the speed of the main? That is 5. So dy by dt is 2.5 meter per second. So this should be the answer. So dear students, this is rate and measurement. और भी क्वेश्चंस इसमें बन सकते हैं, पहले आप बनाइए और इसके बाद हम फिर और क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे। वो क्वेश्चन जेई मेन और एडवांस के खाते में जाएगा। इसके बाद हम इम्प्रूव करेंगे रोल्स थ्योरम और लैग्रेंज मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।